Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be cooking trotters. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we did. It's a very simple one. So to get right into it, you're going to get a nice big pot, add in your trotters, and then you're going to add in water. My water is a bit oily because I used it to rinse off some of the spices my trotters had from the shop. And then you're going to add in salt to taste. So we'll leave this to boil for about 20 minutes. Once it boils down, making sure to leave some of that goodness still in there, so don't let all the water dry off. I'm just going to cut them into half just to reduce on the piece size because previously they were kind of frozen. So cutting them into half so that we can cook them better. We're going to get another pot. We're going to put in frying oil, just a little bit, not too much. Put in the trotters and then we're going to fry them. Make sure you use the lid as your protection because they splatter a lot of oil when you fry them. So after you fry them, put in your onions and a little bit of turmeric. That turmeric just kills off that natural trotter smell that most people don't like. I don't like to spice them a whole lot. So fry this for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to put in a tomato puree. So I prefer using a tomato puree because I like my gravy being really smooth at the end of the cooking. But if you don't mind having chunks of tomatoes, you can just cut up a tomato and put it in there. So fry your tomatoes for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tomato is kind of cooked, you're going to get the water that remained when you were previously boiling them. Put it back in the pot and then put in a little bit more water because you have to boil this down for about another 20 to 30 minutes. So from time to time, keep checking that your trotters don't stick to the bottom. That way they'll burn. I'm using a non-stick pot, but regardless, I keep checking. So after 25 minutes, this is what my trotters look like. I didn't add any thickener. I hope you enjoy this. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.